On September 12th, 2018, during a trip down to Oregon for the annual Feast Portland Festival, I ditched the crowds and went for a solo dinner at this place called Quaintrelle. The space itself has layers, from a small dining room in the front that continues into a beautiful bar, giving way to the open kitchen in the back where Chef Riley Eckersley seeks to highlight the bounty of the Pacific Northwest through passion and intention. Glass of Oregon Pinot Noir for me, I would end up nursing this all night. Baguette to start, cultured butter, and gray salt. I unexpectedly made my reservation during their happy hour, where they actually serve up some of their most popular dishes at discount prices, so I'm super happy I came hungry. This dish was super fun to eat. This is beef tartare with peanut, seltuse, whipped egg yolk, wasabi, and shrimp crackers. Crunchy texture in beef tartare is so underrated, and the amount of acid in this dish really made it addictive. I finished the whole entire plate. A dish of roasted carrots came next, miso tahini, cauliflower, spigarello, and basil oil. Really delicious dish. I think it would have been better shared with other people. I think it was my bad for ordering this as a solo diner. I think I just knew I was gonna need some vegetables to break up the amount of protein I ordered in this meal. Next up, charred octopus, piccalilli, borlotti bean, castelvetrano olives, and tonnato. Great texture on the octopus, but between the beans and the vegetables, I would have liked to have seen something like a sauce or an aioli to bind it all together. A very courageous move by me as a single diner. I went with their fried chicken. Yes, it was as crispy as it looks. They garnish it with maple syrup, salsa verde, fish sauce, and radishes. And as delicious as those flavors were, I felt like the leg piece specifically could have been cooked a touch longer. It was a little tough towards the bone. A cup of coffee to get me through the food coma, because of course I ordered 2 desserts. This is an olive oil cake with stone fruits prepared a few different ways, more of that basil oil, and some whipped cream. Next to that, not really a dessert, but one of my favorite cheeses of all time, Delice de Bourgogne, perfectly ripened and tempered, bruleed plum, strawberry, and more of that baguette to enjoy it with. I really loved both of these. The first one was one of those quote-unquote chef desserts I'm guilty of serving myself, actually, and the cheese dish was great because it really let the cheese be the star. After everything was said and done, my total came to $84. I actually tipped almost 25% on top of that. The server I had was insanely talented. Shout out to Gianna for being incredibly knowledgeable, friendly, and personable to the random single diner with a camera at 5:30 p.m. on a Wednesday night. I felt incredibly welcome and taken care of, which I find is often hit or miss in the Pacific Northwest sometimes. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know where I should go eat next down low in the comments. My name is Justin Khanna. Have a good one.